As a resin artist, there were plenty of times that I left the project to dry that took me hours to complete just to come back the next day and there's hair, dust, and even a fly in it. It pissed me off so much that I decided before I even start my next project, I'm going to create something that would help me eliminate these issues. So I went to Home Depot with an idea, but not really a plan on what I was going to do. So I was pretty much in the PVC pipe aisle, scoping everything out and creating it in my head as I went. After deciding on what I thought would be the perfect size, I went ahead and found all the fixings to what I thought I would need and took them home. While I was at Home Depot, I was literally visualizing how I would want the stand to look, so I bought the corresponding pieces that help fit the visuals in my head. Now, one of the first things I had to do was cut down the PVC pipes to size. I did want my pipes long, but these pipes were way too long. So I got me a PVC pipe cutter and went to work on measuring and cutting my pipes down to size. The PVC pipe cutter was actually very easy to use and I was fairly surprised. I'm glad I bought it. I will be using this again for other projects, but yeah, cutting it was really simple. Once I had my pieces cut, I went ahead and added the little accessories that I had bought to connect them all together to the ends that mattered. So the longer pieces got all of the fittings and the middle-sized pieces were the connectors. This actually was very easy to put up once you put the connectors on, and you can also break it down very easily to put it away. But this is me setting it up just to test how it would fit over my largest size board, and I'm very pleased. It's perfect in shape, and I mean, look at it. This was genius. So after that, I sat there and I took some very thin, plastic tarp just to see how it would drape over the art project, and I'm very pleased with how it turned out. If I need a little bit more space, I'm just going to cut some more pipe and basically fit it so where as though it actually works. But look, I created the perfect little safe haven for my artwork. I couldn't be happier, and it tucks away right into a little corner where nobody can see it and I can just use it whenever I want.